Namaste, I'm Mini and welcome to my channel Foodotomic. Today we are making vegan carrot cake muffins. Carrot muffins have all the flavors of carrot cake that you love but in muffin size. Whether they are a delicious breakfast, snack or dessert, these moist carrot cake muffins will be the best food of your day. If you are new to my channel, I make easy vegan recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's get started. Step number 1. Prepare the batter. Take 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoon of baking powder, icing sugar around 80 grams, half teaspoon of salt, 1/3 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Mix all the dry ingredients together. Now add 30 ml of oil or approximately 3 tablespoons, close to 100 grams of grated carrot, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 100 ml of water. Mix everything till it's well combined, but not too much as we don't want the gluten to form in the all-purpose flour. I have added the remaining water as well. Finally, add some chopped walnuts. You can add raisins or cashews as well if you like. Once the batter is ready, add it to the muffin tray. It's entirely optional to add the muffin liners. The only thing to be careful about is not to fill them entirely and give the space for the muffins to rise. I'm adding some more walnuts to garnish the muffin top. Then bake the muffins over 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or till the toothpick comes out clean. You can always adjust the settings as per your oven, as sometimes it can vary. Look at those muffins, so pretty. It started raining, so by the time I got to the interesting part of taking photos, the light kind of got really dim. But look at them, so soft and airy. I then decided to make a second batch, and I have two good reasons. First, I wanted to take good photos, and second, the most important one, I found vegan whipped cream in a local vegan store, which is so exciting as I never had the opportunity before. Make sure you let the muffins cool down entirely before adding the cream, otherwise it would melt. So this one we are going to convert into cupcakes, and you'll realize that I'm not great at it, but I'm so loving it and dying to eat it. I kind of ate a lot of whipped cream before I could pour it out on the muffins, and I have no regrets. Totally worth it. The vegan carrot cake muffins or the carrot cupcakes are ready. You can always substitute the flour to a healthier one or the gluten-free one, and they will still be delicious. So, if you like today's recipe, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Foodotomic. As usual, I have listed all the equipment and ingredients I use in the description section. You can also find the written recipe of this video on my website foodotomic.com. If you are looking for more vegan videos, check out this playlist right here. So that's all for today, guys. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.